Can injection molding be used for mass production? Yes. Injection molding is a highly efficient and cost-effective manufacturing process that is well suited for mass production. Injection molding involves injecting molten material into a plastic injection mold cavity, where it cools and solidifies into the desired shape. The process is highly repeatable and can produce parts with high accuracy and consistency. There are several reasons why injection molding is well suited for mass production. High production ratesInjection molding machines are capable of producing parts at a high rate, with some machines capable of producing hundreds or even thousands of parts per hour. This makes injection molding an efficient option for mass production. Consistent quality injection molding produces parts that are highly consistent in terms of size, shape, and quality. This is due to the precise control over the other molding processes, parameters, and the use of a rigid injection molds. This makes injection molding an ideal choice for producing parts that require tight tolerances or a high level of accuracy. Wide range of materials. Injection molding can be used to produce parts from a wide range of plastic materials, including various types of plastics and elastomers. This allows for the production of parts with a wide range of properties, including strength, stiffness, and temperature resistance. Complex shapes. Injection molding is capable of producing parts with complex shapes and features. This makes it an ideal choice for producing parts with intricate details or special features. Automation. The injection molding machine can be automated to a high degree, allowing for the production of large quantities of parts with minimal human intervention. This makes molten plastic injection molding process an efficient option for mass production. Cost-effectiveness. Injection molding is generally a cost-effective method of mass production, especially for parts that require a large number of identical copies. The upfront cost of the injection molds is offset by the ability to produce a large number of parts at a low cost per unit. Conclusion. Overall, injection molding processes are an ideal choice for the mass production of parts and components. It offers high production rates, consistency, automation, plastic material versatility, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to produce complex shapes, making it well suited for a wide range of different applications.